Here we are at Lake Tahoe, currently
Sand Harbor Beach.
40-degree water.
Yeah, and I'm very sensitive to temperature, but I'm also very excited, so I'm gonna try to get in.
It's an okay view. Somebody wants to take a picture with you.
Oh, yeah, sure. All right, here we go. Woo.
At nearly 6,000 feet.
Oh my gosh, here we go.
This is the desert of northern Nevada.
Oh, it's so greasy.
Uh-oh. You should be able to find it. The water is like crystal clear.
I know. Yep, there it is.
Yeah, it's... Unlike most lakes in Tahoe, after you get out, you feel like you just took a bath. It's roughly 6,000 feet deep. Gotta be careful of these
Your
rocks.
commitment, hun. Thank you. He's braving the cold for us. It's not so bad once everything starts to go numb.
The only
It's
swimmers
so sweet.
are currently us and a woman and her child that appear to be speaking Russian. Everybody else is out of the water right now.
I understand. It does feel neat though. It feels clean. I don't know how to describe it.
It's so clean.
It's so crisp.
Cold enough?
I'm comfortable now.
Okay.
I wasn't gonna ask you to do
Oh no,
it.
it's okay. I got it. Yeah.
So sweet.
That's why I jumped in earlier so I could be able to do this.
Thank you. Aw. Hello.
Not AI. Burn an enormous amount of calories in this water. I've overheated all day. This is kind of nice.
Yeah. It's gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's focusing on the squirrel. That was so cute. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm trying to hold still. Oh my goodness. The paws on it. Hi, James. Ant hills everywhere right here. And that's the mountain up there. Nice little camping. We're gonna go walk along the beach. They've got places to rent boats. They've got even, it looked like a little miniature museum inside the lodge sort of shaped visitor center over there. But they closed at 5.
Yeah, it's hard to express with words. There's a goose over there.
So, you can come to Tahoe and you still have Wi-Fi. Imagine that. All right.
Don't bring glass on the beach. That's a great rule.
Yeah.
Never bring glass on the beach.
And there's more restrooms right there. So pretty. Maybe I'll be on the left side because that's the water.
Busy on the weekend, but not too bad on a Tuesday night.
Yeah, I recommend Monday and Tuesday, which is when we happen to be here. What day is it? Is it Monday or Tuesday?
Tuesday.
Okay. I never know what day it is, guys. Oh, raven. A raven call. Did you hear that?
Deeper like a raven.
Deep rock sort of sound. Something about boardwalks. They're so fun and kind of like nostalgic feeling.
Oh, they're dedicating this spot to the natural vegetation just being able to grow as it grows.
Oh, and they also have Shakespeare here, or some kind of Shakespearean festival that I think that's the seating for it over there. Look at the roots on this tree, guys. They're all like above the sand. So cool looking. What were you saying, James? And the mountains way out there still have snow on them. And it's the 2nd day of June, 2026. Yeah, this is like some other set for things. The Warren Edward Trepp stage. It was built in 2000. It's pretty new.
A couple of ducks also out on a date.
Yeah. I love how we see ducks on dates everywhere we go.
Well, we pick good locations. We have the same taste as ducks.
I guess we do. I'll show you guys. There's the cute couple. Oh, they're painted ducks, or there's some kind of special species. There. Oh, wow. They're really unique looking, actually. You see that on the camera, hun?
Mm-hmm. Wow.
Yeah, look at their beaks. They look like cormorants.
There's some concerning green stuff in the water.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that doesn't look good at all.
Very uncharacteristic. It's usually
Yeah.
just
Yeah, there's literally bumper stickers you'll see all over Reno. I saw one yesterday that say, "Keep Tahoe blue," because people are really concerned about that. It would be very easy to ruin it. Wow, look at this little grotto or cove area over here. Wow. You guys are gonna hear me say that a lot on this channel. I had to edit out myself saying wow on the nature hike video I did recently like 5 or 6 times. Wow, it's amazing. C'est magnifique. Hey, look, free sunglasses.
Yeah, I wonder what's over it.
Almost looks like a face with the rock.
You guys are gonna come back looking for him. I will get this. Got a little piece of trash right here.
Oh, good.
Put that in my Mountain Dew can.
Nice. Yeah, there's a lot of trash. There's like a concerning line down here. I don't know if we can get that. It's wrapped. Oh, it's wrapped like all the way around and under the rocks. So probably can't get that. We like to pick up trash whenever we're in nature. Sometimes we're more prepared than others, though, too. Wow. There's a seagull way out there. On his own little private rock. So this talks about the Washoe Native people, which is what Reno is in, Washoe County, named after them. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Look at the little lizard. Lizard right down there, right in front of us. Oh, he's so cute. Hi, buddy. He's looking right at us. Fierce push-ups. You see him? That's a territory display. He run under there?
Yeah, he was. I think that was the reason.
Oh wow, he saw him from that far away,
Yeah,
and he was
either
like,
it's another male he's competing with, or it's
a female.
Female.
I'm thinking maybe female. Wow, this is
That's why
exciting.
he's doing push-ups.
Yep, he's like, oh my gosh. Can't tell what's happening here.
Yeah, I think that's the same one.
Where's David Attenborough when you need him?
What are they doing? Yeah, they're either.
What? It's so funny. What next? What happens now? Oh, that's interesting.
Oh my.
I've never seen them bob their head like that.
They're not behaving like it's adversaries. I think
Yeah, I kind of think.
Female.
I think so too.
Seems plausible.
Eating something. Yeah, I think so. I think I got it.
I think she just ate an ant. I saw it out of the corner of my eyes. I was watching the mail.
Oh wow, nice. Got another one.
Push-ups.
Yep. How many can you bench? Huh? I can do 50. Oh boy. Is it love? It's hard to believe this is real. Like, I'm here, but it's like, am I here?
Yeah.
Another pinch me moment. Yeah. Yep. keep going.
We'll be out of here before it rains.
In desert. I love this stuff because it looks almost metallic, like silver, and it looks like frozen lightning. It's just so cool whenever you see that, and we have that everywhere. A little thing about the geology here.
Most people don't know what I'm doing. Oh, really? Yeah, it's kind of crazy. You're like the first to clock it.
So what did that thing
It
say?
was saying that because Tahoe is close to 6,000 feet deep, and it's near a fault line, because San Andreas is not too far from here, and there were previous volcanoes here. Underground earthquakes can trigger tsunamis that can go up to 30 feet high.
Oh my gosh.
That
I
will
wonder
just
if
go
that's
across
how the
lake.
storm happened that killed all those people recently.
Stuff like that can happen. There can just be random earthquakes. It said 10 to 30, 35 feet high tsunamis can be triggered from earthquakes deep underground.
Wow.
So you'll sometimes see those. That's kind of crazy.
Yeah. I wonder if that's why the storm happened.
Yeah.
Because there are freak
if we were on one of our
storms.
little boats when that happens.
Yeah.
Because you would just kind of go up and go back down. The worst part is being on the shore. Don't want to be on the shore.
That's true. I have definitely heard that.
Come all the way up to here.
Wow, this is so gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Give me boulders every day. I love boulder hopping. Okay, Laura Croft. Wow.
Don't use any of the trash that they pull. Can you imagine swimming around in there?
Yeah. Oh, I know. I wonder if there's a way to get in. There's an engagement shoot happening behind us.
It's an okay location. I guess.
Look at that sky.
This is in our backyard.
Yeah. This is a good sampling of the Nevada vegetation.
Yeah.
Just a good overall what you can expect.
Lizards and chipmunks running around in the same environment.
Might be able to get in the water from here. We shall find out. Definitely can't swim in this area.
Maybe further out in the deeper area.
Yeah, maybe over there you could,
Yeah.
definitely. So I have climbed down from up there, and I am now in the pool that we were looking at, and there's little fish. It focuses on it when it's moving. Nice little safe space for the tiny fish, so they can't get eaten by the big fish, because the big fish can't get in here. That's probably why they hang out here.
Yeah, you're right. Probably right.
Little protective cove. Look at the sky. See a tiny poisson down there. Oh, he's so cute. He's a little sucker type fish. He's cleaning the rocks. It's so clear you can watch him do what he's doing. That's so cool. I think I'm going to call this place the Rock Lagoon. Oh, there's another fish that's really cool. Right next to him. They're weaving in between pine cones and sticks too. So the largest animal, I looked it up today, that lives in Lake Tahoe is a trout that gets over 40 pounds and over 40 inches long. So that's the biggest thing you can possibly find in the lake. But yeah, it's pretty big.
Yeah, take a finger.
All of the, all of the fish have come over here now. I want to know what kind of duck that is. Oh, there's another one behind it. Are they babies? I was just going to ask. Oh, cute.
Oh, you're right, yeah.
Do you know what kind of bird that is?
Some kind of duck.
Yeah. They have a bill like a cormorant.
Oh, there they go.
The baby. Oh my gosh. She is putting her wing over him.
Mm-hmm.
She's like, honey, the paparazzi's here. Hide under my wing. Do you know how many there are?
He said like 5 or 6.
Really?
4, 5, or 6.
She's kind of standing up.
Yeah. That's so cool. We're doing a nature channel. So this kind of footages are exactly our thing.
What's the nature channel called?
Adventure Time with James and Anna. That's us.
Yeah.
Yeah. And we live in Reno, so we're just kind of doing the whole area.
Yeah, cool.
It's really fun. Do you sell on like Shutterstock or anything?
I just kind of take pictures for fun.
Yeah. Put them up in your home.
Mm-hmm.
Awesome.
Chipmunk.
Oh, good luck.
Good luck to you.
Thanks.
Chipmunk.
I keep missing. Oh, there he is. I found him. Oh, look at my phone. I know he does.
Oh, it's just got water from the lake. I'm just gonna get rid of this though, 'cause it's glass. Somebody has this. They put water in the lake from it. It was something that they had their
There's some big bugs coming out.
things in. They had
Oh, like bait or something?
grass.
Oh, stuff.
This down here.
So the boardwalk wraps around, just so you know. So it will shoot you right back out toward the parking lot and the main lodge visitor center area.
Doesn't seem real.
I know, and this is where I swim. Even the drive is just like part of the vacation, guys. It's
Yeah.
so stunning. We enjoy the drive just as
It's like
much
being on a
almost.
ride.
Yeah, it is. The first time we came here, I was like, this reminds me of Thunder Mountain Railroad in real life, like the Disney ride.
It's just way longer and it just keeps going. It's so pretty. It's like a ride that lasts for a half an hour.
And it's not overly windy. You know, I have a pretty sensitive stomach, but this ride never makes me feel sick at all.
The road over Mount Rose does.
The
That's
one
very
thing,
windy.
yeah, that's true. Yeah, you got to come on the right road.
Don't go over Mount Rose unless you want to wind like crazy. If you want that, then Mount Rose is for you.
Yeah, Mount Rose is the road that they always want. The GPS always wants you to take because it seems like it's going to be shorter, but this is actually shorter because it's less windy and people can go faster. And people like to drive faster than the speed limit here in Nevada. So your arrival time will always be sooner than what the GPS is anticipating. That's a good thing to know. Another good thing to know is you can see those people parked right there. There's very few areas like that though, where you can just easily and safely pull off to the side. There's one right there. There's enough, like, you know, when it's a downtime and there's not a lot of people out, but during the summer, those things are packed. And so just be aware that parking can be tricky. The parking lots are not always available or open, and they do charge an entrance fee for the parking lots. I think it's like $15
For non-natives.
for non-native. So Tahoe is divided into, part of it is in Nevada, part of it's in California. I can at least say that for the Nevada side, it's 15 for non-residents of the state and 10 for Nevadans. But I don't know what they charge over in California, and I imagine
a lot more.
I think it's like 25 there.
Yeah, it's very expensive out there. We We tend to stay to our own border here.
Yeah, we like Nevada. Less rules, less money, just less regulations and less tax on every single thing you do. So anyway, that's what you can expect. And you'll get to see rock formations like this all throughout. It's just stunning. It's amazing.
Tahoe is so clean. After you swim in it, you feel like you just took a shower and you're ready to go to bed when you get home.
Yeah, you don't even have to shower after getting in that lake. Genuinely, it's that clean.
It's Lake Superior clean. Cleaner actually, because doesn't have barges going through it.
Yeah. And I love that smoky sky too, like the smoky color. It's not actual smoke, guys, but it's moody. I like it. That sunset is really pretty.